Tomorrow's the big day. I'm going in tomorrow to have a micro follicle hair transplant where I'm hair transformation, where I'm having about 3,000 of these bad boys on the side and back of my head transferred to this balding spot up here and put some in the front up here, okay? I'm doing that from 6:45 a.m. to 3 p.m. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you on the way there. I'm going to show you after it's done, and I'll show you the recovery. Here's why I'm telling you that. And I've had people ask me, Greg, why wouldn't you just not tell anybody about that? Why wouldn't you let them wonder? Or maybe they don't know. We all know people who've had work done or had something like that done to their hair or maybe their face or anything. And you all know that they had it done. You see celebrities interviewed. Oh, have you had some work done? No, what are you talking about? And they don't want to admit it, right? Number one, that's probably something in their self-confidence. That's number one. Number two, what it causes is it causes confusion when you don't directly communicate what you're doing. It sends mixed messages and a mixed signal. And I don't want to send confusion, mixed messages, because I know what results from confusion is mistrust. And what results from mistrust is drama. And I don't like drama. So I'm going to clear that up right here. And here's how it relates to exactly everything I do every day. We see situations where people do not specify clearly what their wishes are in their wills. They do not draft trust and clearly specify who gets what or who's going to handle their affairs. And that causes confusion within the family, mistrust, and drama even after you're gone. We are hired routinely for litigation cases where there might be confusion because of the way a will or trust was drafted, or there was no will or trust and the family's full of drama because they're fighting over the money. When all you had to do is, just like my hair transformation, to be clear up the confusion. Because what I'm doing is taboo to a lot of people. Not to me, if you know me. Estate planning is much that way as well. It can be considered taboo. Oh, I'm never going to die. I don't want to talk about death. I'm going to realize my own mortality. Or, I don't want to, pick a child to get this or get that or to be in charge of my estate. That's not helping. Not talking about it. Not being clear and clearly communicating. That's what is helping. That's what helps. Drafting a clearly drafted will by an estate planning or elder law attorney or a trust can help clear up the confusion, which leads to mistrust, which leads to drama in your family. We are hired to do litigation cases daily to fight these battles for people, and all they had to do was be open, honest, clear, and upfront. They can even be private about it, but be clear so that trust is read even after you're gone and guides assets, provides clarity, and prevents mistrust and drama in your family. Stay tuned tomorrow. I'm going in it at 6:45 a.m. I'm going to be there from 6:45 a.m. to 3 p.m. And it's going to be, I'm scared about it. I'm anxious. It's a lot easier to come see an estate planning or elder law attorney than what I'm doing. So if you would like a free consult, I'd be glad to offer one to help you and your family get clear and get your affairs in order and avoid that drama. You can give us a call at 1-888-999-6600 or go online to mcelderlaw.com. That's mcelderlaw.com/scheduling to schedule your free consult today. Wish me luck.